have all the flowers gone? Long time passing. Where have all the flowers gone? Long time ago. Where have all the flowers gone? Children have picked them, every one. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Where have all the children gone? Long time passing. Where have all the children gone? Long time ago. Where have all the children gone? Gone for soldiers, everyone. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Where have all the soldiers gone? Long time passing. Where have all the soldiers gone? Long time ago. Where have all the soldiers gone? Gone to graveyards, everyone. When will they ever learn? When will they ever learn? Where have all the graveyards gone? Long time passing. Where have all the graveyards gone? Long time ago. Where have all the graveyards gone? Covered with flowers, everyone. When will we ever learn? When will we ever learn? Thank you. Well done. Very good singing. Top stuff. Thank you very much. That's it for this week's Singing Assembly. If you want to see last week's assembly or any of the previous assemblies with Three Little Birds, you can sing Shosholoza, you could sing the breakfast song, you could sing We Shall Overcome. We've got so many songs to sing. Go to the school music blog, www.musicatrushmore.blogspot.com. You can also see blog posts with loads of musical challenges. I've got one musical challenge about making your own instruments out of junk modelling. I've got links to things where you can make music online using cool programs and drum beat app maker things. That's really good. I've got other challenges where you listen to music. I'm about to put up a post showing all the things that children have been doing at home to make music for themselves. We've got links to other interesting YouTube music lessons you could check out. There's loads of stuff there. Go visit it. Go have a look. Have a lovely week. Sing lots. Sing anything. Singing is good. You're good. Bye, guys.